Welcome to the Blueprint Atlas. From far away, it looks like a colossal growth engulfing a dying tree. But look closer. This is no random nature. This is the largest aerial apartment on Earth. And it is built by a tiny master engineer weighing only 25 grams. Welcome to the scorching furnace of the Kalahari Desert, a land of extremes. Here, the daytime sun roasts the barren landscape up to 45 degrees Celsius, while the freezing night temperatures plunge rapidly down to -10 degrees. For most creatures, this brutal thermal swing is an instant death sentence. Yet, the sociable _weaver thrives here without any claws, venom, or physical armor. They are constantly hunted by lethal predators lurking in the dry grass. A deadly Cape cobra slowly climbs up the rough bark of the acacia tree. With no physical defenses, how does this tiny bird protect its entire family? How do they survive in a vast, dry desert that actively rejects life? The answer lies in building a massive cooperative empire of hundreds of birds. To escape the lethal predators, they must build high up in the sky. Every single sociable weaver joins the construction effort, working from dawn to dusk. They select only the finest dry twigs and stiff desert grasses for building. They anchor the massive structure to the strongest branches of a dead acacia. Year after year, the nest grows, becoming a heavy, towering haystack. By building a massive shield, they make direct attacks nearly impossible. The secret lies in an aerodynamic, thermodynamic design that baffles modern architects. They do not build individual nests. They build a collective megastructure. Thousands of dry twigs are meticulously interlocked using their tiny beaks. This forms a massive aerodynamic dome that deflects the scorching desert heat. But the real engineering magic lies deep within this colossal structure. A dense matrix of hundreds of individual nesting chambers lies hidden inside. The insulated central chambers trap body heat, maintaining a cozy 20 degrees Celsius. While the outer chambers act as natural air conditioners during the hot day. But the real engineering magic lies deep within this colossal structure. They can survive the freezing night and burning day without moving an inch. But temperature control is only half of their brilliant architectural masterpiece. The nest entrances face downwards, forming steep, narrow, vertical tunnels. Sharp, pointed grass blades line the tunnels, pointing directly downwards like spears. A hungry Cape cobra tries to slither up, but the sharp spikes block it. The downward tunnels turn this giant apartment into an impenetrable fortress. Every day, the birds repair and reinforce these protective vertical entryways. An organized community where every individual plays a vital engineering role. They share the workload, passing materials from one bird to another. But temperature control is only half of their brilliant architectural masterpiece.
These massive sky apartments can endure for over 100 years.
Over decades, the nest constantly expands, gathering more and more material. When rare, heavy desert rains fall, the dry grass absorbs massive water. The wet structure can suddenly weigh several tons, stressing the support tree. The ancient acacia branches begin to creak under the immense structural load. The delicate balance between heavy engineering and natural support is reaching its limit. You might think this grand fortress is built only for the weavers. In truth, it is a bustling oasis supporting the entire desert ecosystem. The tiny pygmy _falcon, a natural predator, moves into the empty outer chambers. An organized community where every individual plays a vital engineering role. Desert lizards and insects also seek shelter within this massive, safe structure. But every masterpiece eventually reaches its structural limit in this harsh land. A sudden, violent rainstorm pours down, soaking the massive grass apartment. The dry thatch drinks the rainwater, doubling its weight in minutes. The thick, ancient acacia branch cracks loudly under the crushing weight. With a deafening roar, the massive sky apartment collapses to the ground. The legendary fortress is reduced to a scattered pile of dry grass. Yet, the resilient flock survives, fluttering safely above the tragic wreckage. As the next morning sun rises, a tiny bird picks up a twig. They begin to build once again, starting an eternal cycle of creation. Nature's greatest architects never give up. Subscribe to the Blueprint Atlas for more.